Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 14 to 20, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Naka-check nyo nila information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Leo, what's coming to you this week? October 14 to 20, 2024. Breathe. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga activities kayong gagawin. Like, for example, meditation, yoga, focusing on your well-being, on your health. So, mas magiging, kayo ngayon, conscious sa inyong kalusugan. Magkakaroon kayo ng healthy lifestyle. Mas gusto nyo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. Inhale, exhale. Oo. So, kumbaga, you want peace of mind. Yan ang mas importante sa inyo ngayon. Tahimik. Walang mga nanggugulo. New life. There's a new beginning. New opportunities. New business. New career. New love life for some of you. New house. New home. With the 4th house. 6th house. This is about your health. So parang iba sa inyo, nire-reinvent nyo yung sarili ninyo. This is transformation. Alam niyo, nakikita niyo sa TikTok na medyo overweight sila, tapos after noon, papakita nila na, agad sila, nasa tamang timbang na sila. Kasi, it's like they are transforming themselves. You have the power to do that, no? Para mas maging healthier and stronger ka. Higher power, your instincts, your psychic abilities are going to be stronger. Lahat naman tayo may psychic abilities. Yung iba, hindi lang talaga ginagamit. Or, hindi lang sila naniniwala sa ganon. But for some of you, you will realize that you have great powers when it comes to your psychic abilities. Yung instinct mo napakalakas. Some of you nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. Marami kayong realizations about life, about your belief system. May mga nagbabago. Overall energy is yourself. The Strength card. This is your energy, Leo. Napakalakas ng inyong loob. Kung kayo nang galing sa challenge in the past, grabe. Grabe yung transformation na ginawa niyan sa buhay nyo, yung mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan nyo. Kasi ngayon, napagtagumpayan nyo na yon and na-realize nyo na, wow, ang lakas ko pala. I'm a very strong person pala kasi kinaya nyo yung pagsubok. Your challenge is the 5 of Swords. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga taong nagpapakita ng kabutihan pero hindi pala maganda yung intention. Okay? Kasi meron dyan na very competitive sa inyo. They just want you to trust them. Gusto lang nila magtiwala ka sa kanila. Para pag nahuli na nila ang kiliti mo, madali ka na nilang mapabagsak. Grabe, no, parang sa mga teleserye lang. But yeah, meron kasing gustong manlamang dito. So, maging maingat sa mga ganyang nagte-take advantage of your kindness na masyadong abusado. Okay? Your opportunity, the 4 of Cups. Meron kayong dating yung tinanggihan dahil sa tingin ninyo, hindi na ito makakabuti sa inyo or you don't feel like doing it. Let's say, for example, may in-offer sa inyong business, trabaho, opportunities, tapos hindi ka sigurado doon or parang parang hindi ka interesado, hindi mo lang trip, hindi mo type. Pero in the long run, na-realize mo na, uy, sayang, pinalagpas ko yung opportunity ngayon. Ngayon, babalik ulit yan. Okay? Babalik ulit. And this is the time for you to grab that opportunity. Okay? Your blessing is the 8 of Pentacles. So this is hard work. This is mastery. So whatever this is na master mo sa career, sa business, this is going to be very successful sa'yo. Let's say, you're very creative. So yung creativity mo na yan, that will bring a lot of income, money sa'yo. Which is, of course, masasabi mo na fulfilling siya kasi sulit yung pinaghirapan mo. Yung ba sa inyo, may pag-aaralan, may mga trainings kayo na aatenan. You are really working really hard. And at the same time, itong hard work na to, meron siyang kapalit na maganda. Kumbaga, rewarding para sa inyo. Can be a rewarding career or a business. So, money, career, finances, Father of Wands. So, very creative. Some of you, meron kayong mga travel opportunities. I also see you na yung iba, aalis kayo sa isang toxic situation sa trabaho, sa career, kaya may new life dito. Because mas iniisip nyo na ngayon ang inyong well-being, ang inyong mental health. Kasi kung toxic at stressful ang trabaho na yan, nakaka-stress, di ba? Na you are working pero ang kapalit naman konsumisyon or parang drain na drain ka na. So I see you na becoming more creative. Some of you, pwedeng magta-try kayo na magnegosyo using your services or parang your talents, your skill set. Kaya siguro itong, ang blessing nyo kasi is yung skills ninyo. Okay? Yung skills ninyo, this will bring you a lot of blessings. And I think ito na yung panahon na aalis ka sa isang current situation na toxic para i-pursue yung gusto mo, yung passion mo. Sa love life, you have the Magician and the High Priestess. Nako. If you are connecting with someone right now, kumbaga parang pareho kayo nagiging strategic sa galaw nyo sa relationship, sa connection na to eh. Parang pareho nyo pinagmamasdan ng isa't isa paano siya kikilos. Yung isa kasi, ano siya, tahimik or parang maraming tinatago. Yung isa naman, iniisip niya kung paano niya i-manipulate yung isang tao. So, tinan mo kung alin ka dito. Kumbaga, it's like a battle, parang labanan pagdating sa relationship. Kung sino yung mas magaling. But if you're single, I think meron kang nagugustuhan secretly because this person is very talented. But I think this person, meron na siyang hinala na may gusto ka sa kanya pero hinahayaan niya or parang hinihintay niya na mag-aminin mo. Okay, let's see what else. Moon in Pisces in the 12th house. You are willing to listen to someone or someone is willing to listen sa'yo, handang makinig sa'yo sa mga hinaing mo. Maaring meron kang gustong sabihin, i-express, someone is willing to listen. Merong handang makinig. Yun yung importante doon eh. Minsan, hindi naman natin talaga kailangan ng advice. Kailangan lang natin ng isang tao na makikinig sa mga hinaing natin sa buhay, rant natin sa buhay. You have Mercury and Sag in the 9th house. So Mercury is the planet of communication. Communication, thoughts, ideas. Yung iba sa inyo pwede may opportunity na makapagtrabaho abroad, makapag-aral abroad, or to travel abroad just to have a vacation. Wow, you have the Sun in Leo in the 5th house. Leo, you are very creative. Alam natin yung lahat, no? So I think this week, mas gagamitin mo yung talento mo, yung skill set mo. And I think mas lalo mo pa tong i-develop, no? Para mas maging expert ka sa field na yan. Grabe! 2 beses na yung breathe. Pinapahinga kayo. Leo. Ayan. So, maaring this week, you will give some time para sa sarili mo na makalanghap ng sariwang hangin, magkaroon ng peace of mind, umiwas sa magulo at stressful na environment, or maaring magkakaroon ka ng literal, mga breathing exercises to remove stress, release stress. The calmer you are, the more time slows down and the easier it is to get everything done. Ayan. So, iiwas ka sa sa stress. Oo, yung pressure sa paligid mo. Iiwasan mo na yan para mas marami kang ma-accomplish. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.